Hi, it's Mark from Custom Cruisers. Okay, beautiful bit of kit here, beautiful like everything we do. Okay, the only thing missing is the fuel pipe and the flanges and the seals for this, but you do get all that included. This is basically a Magnetti Marelli style EFI to carb kit. We also do it for non-Magnetti Marelli, which means that's different, and you don't need the manifold on the late bikes. Sorry, on the early bikes, but you do on the late bikes, but they're obviously cheaper. This particular one as well comes with a full air filter because the Magnetti Marelli filter will not fit, you know, in place onto a normal carb because it's a twin port injection. Okay, so you do get one of these beautiful RevTech filters, washable filter included, got the breather bolts included, and everything you need. Okay, here's your ignition, that's going to bolt on. Here's your fuel filter because you're going to come off this super duper real high flow tap. It's a proper high flow tap into this filter, into the carburetor here, okay, into this monster. This is a Super E style carb. We also do Super G's. You get your manifold, which this is a used one just for the demo, okay, but you will actually get a brand new one. This is your bung for your fuel tank for the return on the Magnetti Marellis. Obviously, if you've got a normal bike, you don't need that. You know, it will be a different kit completely to get rid of that stupid push-on thing that always leaks. Okay, comes complete with all the coil, your leads, 7 wires to hook up. That's it. Positive, negative, coil wires, sensor wires from the crank sensor, and that is it. That is all you need to do electrically. Do not bother even using the original loom because the wires are on the thing anyway. This side velcro to the side of the bike, the side panel comes complete with different maps, so you can actually adjust your you know, your rise of your ignition curve, okay, or you can bolt it onto this, which apparently is another way of doing it, so that will bolt onto something. I'm not quite sure what you bolt that onto. Comes complete with the owner's manual, and as you can see, everything you need. Also available with a HSR style carb, HSR 42 or 45 as well. Makes a massive difference, and to be honest with you, Magnetti Marelli, let's face it, it's getting rare to get bits, and if you can, what's going to go next? If you're interested, give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. This is a bolt-on kit, can be done in under half a day. Ripping all the old stuff off and putting this on, all your carburetor cables will fit. On Magnetti Marelli, your cruise control won't work, but to be honest with you, I don't like electric cruise. I'd rather do it myself anyway with the manual thing underneath you. You know, underneath your throttle, or stick like a Vista Cruise style version on instead. Anyway, give us a call, 01773835666, email sales@customcruisers.com if you're not sure how to do it. We also do these kits for full canvas change of loom, get rid of that horrible fly-by-wire crap and stick a normal throttle body. We do those as well. Customcruisers.com or the new site customcruisers.eu if it ever gets done. Thank you.